Alright, can we talk about how toxic Cedric Kelly, Aiden, and Emmethy humanized hate bases are? Like, for Cedric Kelly, Aiden's hate base, they are immature, annoying, and just straight up toxic ass.
He's harassing you. Nah, you're harassing US.
Yeah, I know my friend said something disgusting, but Chippa is a rude guy, aka P3 Defile supporter. But I am just going to talk about a Mathy humanized toxic hate base next, since TF, you know it? Chipper is one of hers too. And the hate base starts with a P3 Defile named Rude Guy. Rude Guy is a racist B*TCH, who is a P3 Defile B2W. And what do you know it? He has fans, aka E-Kittens, even if he's racist and is AP3 Defile. And guess what his fans are? Part of the toxic hate base. Like, even minors like him when he harasses other minors like WTF. These hate bases are worse than toxic fan bases, TVH. So, if you lose interest on either Emma or Aiden, I suggest you just go neutral to them due to their hate bases being toxic. That's all I'm having to say. Anslyi signing off.